Hey, my name is Nick Horb. I'm the founder of a company called Harvest Profit. We make farm management software for farmers in the US and Canada primarily. And we're starting a new project called Playbook. I'm specifically starting the project. It's a new app that we are building for internal and external purposes. And what the app is it's a set of tools to manage standard processes, workflows, checklists. We tried to find an app internally. We're a small business. We have 4 full-time employees, 2 part-time. We've raised one really small round of capital. And it started as a side project for myself, Harvest Profit did. I was working on the project solo. I was the first employee, the first person working on the project for about let me think now, the first year and a half. And a lot of those processes, just standard things that we do, have been locked in my head. And that is obviously not an ideal scenario. The concept of you should be working on your business, not in your business, is something that really resonates with us. And so here, about 6 months ago, I started going down the road of documenting our processes, putting standard processes in place. But when it came to actually executing those, you could refer somebody to a Google Doc or a spreadsheet, but having a simple tool for building out those processes was just really lacking in my opinion. I tried a couple, they didn't really suit what we were trying to accomplish. We do have a use case for some mobile processes and didn't really come across any mobile solutions, outside of optimized websites. And so what I'm going to do here, I'm a non-technical founder. I hired consultants to build the first version of Harvest Profit, and I'm going to do that again with Playbook. But what I'm going to do a little bit differently is I'm going to create this video series to track the progress. I've really bought in to the concept also of feedback. You really need to be careful with feedback. You can ask people what they think. You can even get people to buy. And that has been my, when I first started Harvest Profit, got a handful of customers online, and that was the initial validation phase. But a lot of people, sometimes people will pay you without fully thinking about it, and you can't really judge the success of a product, in my opinion, without being able to see real world usage, get real world feedback, and basically see if people are going to use your product. And so what I'm going to do here over the next 100 days with this Playbook project is we're going to build it from scratch. And not only are we going to build the product, but we're going to build the infrastructure around the product and actually get the product ready to do some initial marketing, to get some market feedback, and ultimately, hopefully, get some customers. And so when it comes to design, development, marketing, DevOps, I'm going to track that all along the way. I'm not a trained computer engineer. I know a tiny amount of programming. I've learned a lot along the way. I've had a couple pretty decent size in relation to my personal net worth mistakes that have cost me capital and savings. And so I'm going to try to help you, if you're interested in doing the same, prevent from making the same mistakes I did. And so I wanted to say hello, welcome you to this journey over the next 100 days as I build out what we are calling Playbook, a set of tools to help take chaos out of your business by allowing you to create standard processes, procedures, checklists, and workflows, and execute those, and doing it in a mobile-friendly way as well. So I'm Nick, founder of Harvest Profit, really the brains right now behind the Playbook project, and I look forward to sharing more information with you over the next 100 days on myself, the Playbook project, Harvest Profit, our current team, really everything that we have going on, I'm going to be open and transparent about. So look forward to having you with me on this journey, and I hope you can learn something along the way. Thank you.